Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can be able to make this amazing ghost effect in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. Here I've got a clip in my timeline. Now what I'm gonna do is duplicate the clip one track above. By holding the Option or Alt key, select the duplicated clip. Then go to Inspector tab. From the Composite section, we have to lower the opacity up to 50%. Then the next step is to select in which parts we want the ghost effect, and in which parts not. For this example, I didn't want the ghost effect at the beginning of the video, so I deleted the first part of the clip. So now we have to cut and delete all the parts of the duplicated clip, in which we don't want the ghost effect. Now we have to change the clip speed of all the parts that we have chosen. To do so, right-click on the clip, then select Change Clip Speed, then change the speed to 90%, then click on Change. And from the Inspector tab, adjust the size and position. Now we have to apply the same adjustments to other parts of this clip. To do so, select this clip and then copy it by pressing Command or Ctrl+C, and then select the other parts of this video like this and then press Option or Alt+V, to paste the attributes. Check this box, then hit Apply. Now the effect is ready to use. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. Happy editing!